Hi, welcome to another video on agentic applications. When you have an AI automation agency, you will definitely be building SaaS applications. So when you build your own SaaS application, you will have an agentic system with connection to remote LLMs. Depending on the nature of application, you may want to parameterize the reasoning ability. You may want to say reasoning yes, no, or the control of extent of reasoning expected from the LLM. So that is the demo. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. So for this demo, we'll provide a parameter that can control the amount of reasoning the LLM is expected to offer. So this is a quick demo of how we can accomplish this. The code is there in the Agento repo, and I'll provide the link in the description. So let's see how it works. So I have a shell script that launches the Python environment and run the script. So it is checking the dependencies which are already installed. Okay, so again comparing NVIDIA and Tesla. Okay, so here is the nicely formatted output, and if you see here the tool calls, it has called get current stock price for NVIDIA, get current stock price for Tesla, then company info for NVIDIA and Tesla. That is it. It just made 4 tool calls. So now what we are going to do is we'll look at the code and see where we can set the parameter. So this is a very short code, and here we define the agent, and this is where you can set the reasoning effort. See this? So I have set this as low now. So what we will do is we will change it to high. I'll comment this out and uncomment this. And we will run it again. Remember, with low reasoning, it called the tools 4 times. One for the stock price for each symbol, and other for the company info. So let's run the same code, this time with higher reasoning. Write a report comparing NVIDIA and Tesla. It should take longer because this time it is set to reason more. We have set the reasoning to high this time. It's still taking time. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's still doing. Okay, done. See, report is bigger, more detailed, and if you look at the tool calls, you will notice that the same agentic framework, when the reasoning was low, we had all these 4 calls. But now, when we set the reasoning to high, we got 4 extra tool calls. See this? Get analyst recommendation for NVIDIA and Tesla, and get company news, NVIDIA and Tesla. So this, it decided on its own just by setting the flag reasoning high. Okay, so that is the quick demo. Link to the code will be provided in the description. Okay, so these tiny videos explaining these different use cases will really come handy when you are building your own agentic application. So please remember to like, share and subscribe, and give your valuable comments. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.